So Litecoin transactions are taking off. Also, a new update is on the way. So when will this bullish news help Litecoin cross that $50 resistance level once again this year? September has been a slow month for Litecoin. Right now we're at the beginning of October and the price is staying right along this trend line here and slowly making its way up from the September lows. Let's talk about it later in this video, what needs to happen in order for Litecoin to continue to have a strong reversal. Thanks for tuning in to Currency.com with your analyst, John, at Real John Doe. And you're going to want to stay tuned into this video because we're going to cover some great things about Litecoin, like the trader sentiment, some news, and also some very important price levels. But one more thing, as always, before we get started, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. So first thing, looking at the trader sentiment, it is pretty bullish. The price right now is at a resistance level that it has tested for a few days now. And we do have the bulls in control with 74% buyers and 26% sellers, with the price leaning towards the high of the day. Let's move on to the next part of the video. First, in terms of price levels, let's talk about support. So the first level of support is right around $43, which is the low of October so far. And the next level after that is $41.50, which was the low from September. And then the last level of support for this current trend is $39, which is right now the yearly support level. And a break of that would bring us down to the March lows. And then price levels to the upside, the first level we need to watch is $47, which right now is right on that 200-day moving average. And then $49.50 is the next level after that, which so far is the high of October and is right at the psychological $50 resistance level. And then the last level that we need to see Litecoin break through is $55, and that would bring us right up to test the yearly highs. So let's have a look at Charlie Lee's Twitter account to see some of the latest news that she shared on Litecoin. And we do have something here about the Litecoin Mimblewimble September update. It does state that the Litecoin Mimblewimble testnet is here, and it looks like more progress is being made and more nodes are continuing to join and start mining. And one major upgrade in the Mimblewimble is the new privacy feature for Litecoin. That is one of the main developments. And the testnet was previously launched on the end of September, but it was postponed and pushed back a little bit, but it has officially launched now. And this was due to low community participation. But one thing that is gaining a lot of community support is the new Litecoin game Lightbringer that we covered in the last video. It has been getting a lot of good reviews. It has made transactions on Litecoin's blockchain increase as players are continuing to grow and try out the game. And you can see Daddy Cool 1991 did make a review here on Twitter regarding the game and the impact that it has been having on Litecoin. And there has been a very good response from users, either people who are interested in the game or people who have already tried it. But some people want to get straight to the point and just ask, is the game any good though? That should be right on top of the review. If you do want to try it for yourself, just go on Litebringer.com. And if you are into RPG games, then this will be one for you to try out. And it is the first ever game utilizing blockchain 100%. But now, no more games. Let's jump into the platform, look at the chart for Litecoin, and see the real question right here is this $50 mark going to be crossed once again? And you can see since all-time high or right before all-time high, at Litecoin, the $50 range has been a pretty interesting price point. It has been tested now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, and it's been ranging around there majority of this year. So it makes you think that it will most likely get tested again to the upside. Right now, Litecoin is sitting closer to the yearly open than the yearly highs. The yearly open is about 13% away. So what do we need to see happen for the price to continue upwards right along this trend line here? In terms of price action right now, it needs to stay above these 3 moving averages. The price has been ranging for about a month now, and the moving averages are starting to come closer together. So this will build up for a big move either up or down. But within the next few days, we will need to see if Litecoin can make one of these moving averages into a support level and get past up to that $49 range. And $49 would be a good safe spot, because if we were to break down from there, then Litecoin could still give us a higher low from the yearly bottom. As long as the price stays above the $43 range, and if the RSI does go above 50, and we can make one of these moving averages into a support, then we can expect to see the RSI increase as the price also makes its way higher, and taking on each resistance zone level by level without any crazy jumps up into this overbought zone in this area here. Because if we were overbought in this zone, then we will most likely see it break down back to the yearly open. But if we do see a slow grind up, taking on each moving average and making it into a support range, then we can see the price continuing its way up to test my bullish price target, which is right around $55 for October. But things can also break down for Litecoin. Losing this 200-day moving average can have a big drop to follow, similar to what we've seen here in March. And as of right now, the price is not too far off from the March lows. The RSI has not been below 30 since March also, which is one thing to look out for, because it will eventually make it down below 30, and now could be the time. And in my opinion, if that were to happen, I will remain bullish on Litecoin, because that would most likely give us a higher low compared to how low we went in March, somewhere in the $30 range, which is my bearish price target if things do start breaking down. If we do see that happen in October, then I will be a buyer, because if you look in the previous times when the RSI did go below 30, the price did recover each time within a few days, and Litecoin continued to build strength and keep going throughout the years. Before we wrap this up, I just want to say thanks for watching our video on Litecoin. Comment below what you think we should cover more often in the videos, and also what you thought of this video, and we will respond. I'll see you next time, and good luck with your trades. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.